In this part of our video, we will find out the coefficient of mutual induction when a current I1 is being passed through the solenoid S1 and the flux is being produced in S2. Now keep in mind, current passed through the solenoid S1 due to mutual induction, the flux being produced in S2. So we write flux is in S2. So phi 2 is due to current I1 and the coefficient of mutual induction is M21. M21 represent the flux into due to the current in 1. We will give it number 2. Now we will find out the magnetic flux associated with the coil solenoid S2 due to the current in the solenoid S1. Okay, so phi 2 in this case current I1 is being passed through the solenoid S1. Due to this current I1, the magnetic field B1 is produced in S1. Okay, so we will write B1. Now next formula is area into number of turns. Now there is a twist. Area, we should, according to the method, we should write here area A2 and number of turns N2. Why? Because we are finding out the magnetic flux in the second solenoid. But here the concept is, this solenoid you can see is the smaller in area. This is smaller in area, and we know that in case of solenoid there is no magnetic flux outside the solenoid. All that magnetic field is confined within the solenoid, and there is no solenoid as no magnetic field, as they cancel out each other's effect in pairs. Okay, so it means in the S2 number of turns, S2 turns, only the magnetic field being produced in the area of the coil S1. Got it? Means जो करंट हम S1 में से पास आउट करा रहे हैं उसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होगा वो S1 की टर्न्स में ही कन्फाइन रहेगा, और उसी सिर्फ ओनली दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल प्रोड्यूस द फ्लक्स इन S2. Right? So it means in this case we will write area A1. Okay, एरिया A1. किसके एरिया? ओनली S1 के एरिया की वजह से किस में फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस होगा? S2 में. अब लेकिन उसकी टर्न्स चेंज हैं, सो टर्न्स किस में होंगी? टर्न्स विल बी ड्यू टू द टर्न्स ऑफ S2. गॉट माई पॉइंट? फ्लक्स इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन S2 ड्यू टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड B1, क्योंकि ये सोलेनॉइड का एरिया स्मॉलर है और आउटसाइड इसके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकता. सो दैट ड्यू टू दैट रीज़न जो A1 है, एरिया वी विल कंसीडर A1, बट द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स, क्योंकि हम फ्लक्स निकाल रहे हैं S2 में, सो नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स विल बी A2. ओके, सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू phi 2 इज इक्वल टू B1 इज म्यू नॉट N1 इंटू म्यू नॉट N1 I1. Area is pi r1 square and N2. N2 will write N2 into L. N2 into L. So this is equal to mu naught N1 N2 I1 L into pi r square. So comparing 1 and 2, so we'll get M21 is equal to this term mu naught N1 N2 I1, here it is I1 also, I1 L pi r1 square. So I1 to I1 cancel out, we'll get M21 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 L pi r1 square. Okay, so we can clearly see that M21 is equal to M12 as we have previously calculated in our previous video. So mutual induction is same in both the cases. We can also rewrite that M12 is equal to M21 is equal to M, which is equal to mu naught. Instead of N1 we can write N1 by L. N2 can be written as N2 by L. This is L, this is pi r1 square. So this L will cancel out with L. So M will get M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 by L into A. So this is the expression for coefficient of mutual induction of a two coaxial long solenoid.